I'm so excited we get fajitas on my birthday! You're the best, Ty.
You're just adorable when you're excited.
Hello, thank you for calling Dos Amigos. Can you hold for 1 second, please? Thank you very much for your patience. How can I help you today?
We've got a reservation, Murden for 2.
Yes, here you are. I believe your table is available. Please follow me this way. Can I start you off with any drinks tonight?
Actually, I think we know what we want.
Yes, 2 orders of your shrimp fajitas and an appetizer of your homemade guac, please. Excellent. Any drinks?
We'll start with water. Thank you.
Put your order in right away. Thank you very much. Manny, 2 fajitas, camarones, por favor. I have to get back to the front. Order up.
I'm on it.
Please send someone with 2 orders to table 4 as well when you get the chance. Sure thing, boss. Another fajita. Siempre pago por mis pecados en fajitas de camarones. Cumpleaños feliz, Manny.